go. And you know exactly what to say. Confusing it completely the next day.
Yesterday I dug this canal and now the river has changed direction. Yeah. Maybe I can get on the other side.
J'ai la peau douce dans mon bain de mousse. Je m'éclabousse